चलो याद तो हो गया कि Lango Adiyal written, yes, Sila Padikaram, and who has the together and who were against? Kovalam and Madhavi and then Kannagi. Understood? So I said that works of the heroic poetry in which heroes are glorified and perpetual wars and cattle raids are the frequently mentioned. They are also pastoral. They are also pastoral and some kind of agriculture. Some kind of agriculture. And I have said that when I was talking about Indus Valley civilization, I said that there is a burial practice. And at that time I said that somewhere they are putting the stones also. Some practice of burial में क्या होता है? Stones. And यहाँ पे भी क्या होता है? When the heroes dies and they say that they convert into stones. They convert into, so when the burial has been done, then the surrounding it is, what is done by which? Stones रखा जाता था. It means it is representing megalithic. It is kind of what? Megaliths. So I said that this text shows that early Tamil poem, I said narrative text, that is all the narrative text. Narrative कौन कहलाता है? Yes, tell me, कौन कहलाएगा? Which are the two books we have seen? Melka and Nakku. These are the Melka and Nakku. Malaika Aroda. Melka and Nakku is a narrative and didactic is what? Kika Nakku. Narrative is which one? Narrative is Malaika Aroda and then Kiki. छोटा सा होता है. Yes or not? Didactic. And then we have seen Melka and Nakku narrative. और इसमें हमें क्या क्या पता चल रहा है? I said that pastoral and all the things that you have seen, life is romance and there is also what is there? Just tell me, romance, charms, everything is there. This text shows that the early Tamil people were mainly pastoral and traces of early, based on hunting and fishing, although the cultivated somewhere rice is also there, do appear in the Sangam text. Megalithic people believe that when a hero dies, he is reduced to stones which remind us of a circle of stones on the graves of the megalithic people. It may have led to the practice of raising hero stone known as Vikral. वैसे भी हमारे यहाँ विकराल बहुत बड़ा चीज होता है. Yes, megalithic hero stone known as Virakal. हम लोग विकराल नहीं बोले, विरार. I said that Virakal. In the honor of heroes died fighting. This text also gives us an idea about military and administrative system along with the trade and commerce. So narrative text of Melka Nakku is talking about not pastoral life, it is also talking about megalithic life, it is also talking about heroic deeds, it is also talking about political ideas, it is also talking about trade and commerce and what they are producing. Yes or not? This Melka Nakku say you are getting so many things. Yes or not? Trade, commerce and then administrative system, military system, economic system, and economic system का मतलब what they are producing, what they are producing. Understood? And then I said that megalith and then this hero stone known as Vikral. I said that Virakal. And then megalithic life and then I said that they always involve in the war. And then now I said that didactic text. Didactic text, sir, yes, tell me. It is in a what? Minor collection. 18 collection of minor. And then it is known as a Kikka Nakku. It is known as I said that M letter पहले आएगा और K letter. M it is in larger and K is. So I said that work of it is a Brahman written in Prakrit Sanskrit language mainly prescribes the code of conduct for king and other social classes. तो यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे स्टोरीज हैं जिसमें आप क्या देखेंगे ब्राह्मण written in किसमें लिखा है इन्होंने प्राकृत and Sanskrit language mainly prescribing code of conduct for king and other social classes. So Kikka Nakku is talking about, yes tell me, code of conduct for king and other social classes. Understood? And Melka Nakku may we have seen every kind of life. Yes or not? And here it is in what? So which one is smaller and which one is larger? Melka Nakku is larger and Kikka Nakku may only we have to see the what is in a code of conduct for king and other social classes. And then next that we are going to see Tolka PM. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा confusion में रहते हैं लोग. Tolka PM, the earliest of Tamil literature which deals with the grammar and poetics. And which one is the Bible of Tamil? Tirukural. तीर को कहाँ डाल दिए? कूड़े में, डस्टबिन. And then तीर क्या हो गया? Vella. Tiruvallu. And then I said that Tolkappiyam, earliest Tamil literature which deals with grammar and poetics. Understood? And then I said that on political and socio-economic condition of that period. Socio-economic and political condition, Tolkappiyam. And it has been written by Tolkappiyar. It has been written by whom? लिखा नहीं है क्या? चलो लिख लो यहाँ पे साइड में. It has been written by whom? Tolkappiyar. It is written by whom? पीएम. देखने में लगता है कि पीएम नाम होना चाहिए, पीआर क्या होना चाहिए? थोड़ा सा उल्टा है यहाँ पे. Tolkappiyam was written by whom? Tolkappiyar. Yes sir. And in this Tolkappiyam, some words are there which is important, and several times it has been utilized. Tami Jhakkam. I said that. तो तमिल की तरफ झांको तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे आप? डीप साउथ रूट. यस और नो? डीप तमी झक्का. एंड देन हम अब किधर झांकना है? नॉर्थ की ओर. तो क्या मैंने बोला? डीप साउथ कल्चर. एंड उत्तर पथा को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? रूट टू नॉर्थ. एंड दक्षिण पथा रूट टू साउथ. अंडरस्टूड? सो विच आर वी हैव सीन? तमी झक्कम, आई सेड दैट. डीप साउथ कल्चर. एंड देन उत्तर पथा, आई सेड दैट. route to north, and Dakshin Patham is route to south. And these are the few things that you can be able to see. So which Melkar Nakku is in a didactic text which includes it is a didactic or narrative. Melkar Nakku narrative. It is not didactic. Small stories are not there. Understood it? In the form of poems. It's not a small. It is in a large. Melkar Nakku. Kikkar Nakku. And then Pattu Pattu is in a what? Famous. Chalo, yaad hai? So let's move. And the Tolkappiyar was written by whom? Tolkappiyam is in a book. Tolkappiyar has written it. Understood? We are going to see Chera. Anybody is from the Kerala side? So I said that. And if I say Mujiris, I said that oldest seaport. And this year ke liye Mujiris is very much important because UNESCO and United Nations World Trade Organization has made that increasing the tourism industry in Kerala, especially in the Malabar. Understood? And then they try to increase the what? Seaports, oldest seaport, which I said that oldest seaports are known as Mujiris. Oldest seaports are known as, and then there is one word is there, biennial. What is the meaning of biennial? Huh? Yes, so they are, what is in a biennial, that they are doing some kind of program so that the tourism can be increased in this region. So which I said that Mujiris. Mujiris means oldest seaport. So हमने क्या बोला? What is the bow? Sorry, what is the emblem? Bow. And its capital is Ranchi. ये क्या दिख रहा है? Arrow marks. It is in a forest. Forest of bow. And I said that arrow and bow. Forest of arrow and bow. तो forest को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? वन. Yes, क्या बोलते हैं? So what is the capital of it? I said that 1G. I said that 1G. And यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? आजकल देखते नहीं है, इफ यू हैव सीन द शोले फिल्म, एवरीवन हैज टेकन दिस एंड बीच में मुजरा हो रहा था. एंड पहले क्या लोग लेते रखते होंगे डराने के लिए, देयर इज सम एरो एंड बो सर. एंड यदि आपने नहीं नाचा तो पहले यदि शोले में इफ देयर इज एन गब्बर सॉरी सो गब्बर क्या करता? जस्ट टेल मी। तीर मारने के लिए बोलता, कितनी गोलियां हैं? तो पूछता कितनी तीर है? सो आई सेड दैट यहाँ पे क्या है, एरो एंड बो का वन है, और इसमें क्या हो रहा है, मुजरा। और एक्चुअली मुजरा कर रहे हैं द बॉयज, स्पेशली देयर फॉर इट इज ठंडा। कैसा है? ठंडी। इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? एंड जस्ट नियर बाय देयर इज एन वन टेम्पल इज देयर, एंड इस टेम्पल आई सेड दैट ऑगस्ट टेम्पल, ऑगस्टस टेम्पल। सो क्या पिक्चर आपका बना? I said there is a bow and there is a one of it, and in between what is happening? मुजरा। and मुजरा कैसा है? थोड़ा सा गर्म वाला है या ठंडी? It is in a ठंडी, and in front of they are doing Augustus temple, and this Augustus temple has been formed by, I said that, Romans, and which has been destroyed by Tipu Sultan, which has been destroyed by Tipu Sultan. Understood? I said that, and तो समझ में आ गया हमने क्या बोला? Emblem is bow, capital is 1G, and then I talked about seaports of Mujris and Tondi, Mujris and Tondi, and Roman temple Augustus, and the latter destroyed by Tipu Sultan, and the greatest ruler was Sengtu I. तो सारे संघ है वन में बैठे हुए, तो ये तो यही हो जाएगा Sengtu I. And then trade, what they are doing? Pepper, jackfruit, jackfruit समझते हैं? Qatar, and then we are exporting Qatar to Romans. They are liking it, pepper and jackfruit, the combination you can think. So I said that we have finished with cheras, and what the cheras I said that, tell me. Cheras are the emblem is bow, and their capital is 1G, and the seaport famous is Mujris and Tondi, and then famous ruler was Sengatu Vanam, and then in front of what is it, that Augustus temple, and it has been destroyed by whom? Tipu Sultan. इसमें सोचना पड़ रहा है. Next one I said that Chola, and Chola, what is the emblem of Chola? Tiger. I said that, and greatest ruler was Karikala. Karikal नाम सुना है? Have not heard? Pondicherry. Pondicherry consists of Puducherry, Karaikal, Puducherry, Karaikal, that is in Tamil Nadu, Yanam in Andhra, and Mahe in Kerala. So it is made up of 4 different, what is it, regions. 2 it is in Karaikal, that is in Nagapattinam. यदि आप तमिलनाडु में जाओगे, in the Tamil Nadu there is a what I said that and then this is the first turn, and thereafter this is second turn. This first turn Vaigai river comes, जहाँ पे रामेश्वरम, and the second turn it is for the what? Kaveri delta, and यहीं पर हम लोग देखेंगे there is a Nagapattinam. What I said that? Nagapattinam, and then I said that Puducherry, and thereafter in Andhra we will see Yanam and Kerala Mahe. Understood? So I said that Karikal. Which one I said that? So the greatest ruler was Karikala, and then he founded Puhar. What he founded? Puhar. It is in a Kaveri Pattanam. Puhar means Kaveri Pattanam. That is in a coastal city. Kaveri, it is in, I said that, coastal. Pattanam means port. City at the coast. Capital on river Kaveri. Understood? I said that? It is on the Kaveri river, and then it is in a kind of port city. Karikala. And then seaport, कौन सा दिख रहा है? पुहार, जिसको हम लोगों ने क्या कहा? Seaport is what? पुहार, or you can say Kaveri Pattanam. Yes? And then I said that there is in a Udaipur, it is a chief political center famous for cotton. Nearby this, and then chief crop was paddy. So इस side जाएंगे तो what they will do? चूल्हा से paddy. And then around 400 AD, Kaveri was treated as the holy river in the Brahminical text. Kaveri को क्या कहते थे? Holy river. That has been mentioned as. So I said that who has what is the emblem of Cholas? Tiger. Yes. And which is the famous king? Karikal. And which is the famous city? Puhar. Which is the famous seaport? Puhar. Understood? And what is the famous cultivation? Paddy. And which river is supposed to be? Holy Kaveri. Again I said that. हमने क्या बोला? चोला. What is the emblem? And what is the capital? And what is the seaport? And then which river on it? Understood? And Kaveri river को, and what they are cultivating? ये तो ऐसे ही याद हो गया, मेरे को एफर्ट में नहीं डालना पड़ेगा. बता दिया, करेकाल. इट इज व्हाट इज इट? करेकाल. यस है ना. और छोटी वाली क्या बनती है? काली माँ कभी बन जाती है. यस. सो चोला, छोटी. आई सेड दैट आगे आप लोग समझदार हो, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. Next one is Pandya. Who patronized Sangamis? Tell me fast. Cheras, Cholas or Pandyas? Pandyas. And then I said that what is the emblem? Fish. Fish. And then patronized Sangamis, and at capital Madurai. Pandyas ऊपर है या above it is Pandyas? Which one is Pandya and Chola? Which one is above? Pandyas is below, Cholas is above. And in the Tamil Nadu if you go, Madurai is here. So this is, I said that, Cholas and then Pandyas. Understood it? And then Pandyas I talked about, patronized Sangamis, and the capital is Madurai. And then famous for its forest trade and female rule, and chief crop is also Tamil Nadu. I said that, paddy. Understood it? So Pandyas. And then I said that, what is the